next gentleman coming out of retirement. It's been a long time since we've seen him out on the circuit of fashion. It's been over 3 years that this next gentleman's been away from us. He's hails out of New Mexico, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll tell you what, this truck, the name is very apropos for this gentleman, although he tells me he's mellowed over time. I don't believe it when he gets behind the wheel. 1964 International Travel, all 422 cubic inches, ladies and gentlemen. The Salinas Beach and gentlemen, Jeff Caverna! Way off for this gentleman. He left monster truck racing for 3 years, went to work on the Savage Beast, and look what he turned it up with. 1964 International Travel Law. One of the newer style monster trucks, full tubular frame, sporting about 20 inches of travel all the way around, so it's going to be a bit smoother than the Rock of the Hot Stuff. They'll check the RII and bring it back to life. Caverna was just joking with you. After 3 years away, Salinas, how about giving this gentleman a big warm welcome back? I want to hear a big round of applause for the Savage Beast. Look at Jack, he's trying to get a little extra track time. He went from the right to the left and back on over to the left side of the track. Go ahead and give Jack Caverna a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And a Savage Beast. And that will bring the 18-year-old back out, Pat Gerber, and the Shocker. 18 years old, the youngest monster truck driver in the United States. And believe it or not, he has 1 year of experience. I'll tell you what, hundreds of hours going to building these monster truck tracks. And we just want to thank the guys at MH Curley because they've done a fantastic job again this year as they have in the past several years. Along with Budweiser, Dick Adams Automotive, Pepsi, Payless Drug Stores, and Western Transport, the Farmers Mercantile, Don Holtz Tire, and Round Table Pizza. That'll bring Jeff Caverna in the left-hand lane of the Savage Beast. Right-hand lane, Jeff Finger, the high voltage sponsored by Salinas Auto Stereo. How many people are pulling for the Savage Beast? Who's pulling for the high voltage? Jeff Finger, the first